Perhaps you've been to visit me in Disneyland before. I know some of you have, I'm sure. Sorry about the long line. It's about 4 hours wait. Not as bad anymore, thankfully. Well, your name was Tyler, is that right? Tyler?
Tyler.
He says, I'm not quite sure what to think. All right, and what's your name, sir? Lovely to meet you.
Nathan.
Nathan. Hello, Nathan. I'm so happy to see you. Wow. Fantastic. Now, you look a little shy, sir.
What's her name? What's her name?
What's your name?
Cash Begay. Cash Begay.
Cash Begay. What a lovely, handsome, strong, and rich name. Cash Begay. Now, I think I'm going to come back to you next. What's your name? Can you say it for me a little louder? I have snow in my ears. Teresa Bernal. Lovely name. May I shake your hand? It's a little chilly. Oh, sorry about that. What's your name, handsome princess? Angel. Lovely to meet you, Angel.
Nice job.
And I met you when I first came in. Remind me of your name one more time.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Your hand? Sophia.
Sophia. Good sign, my dear. Lovely to meet you. Have we met before? In Disneyland? You look familiar to me. I meet a lot of people where I'm from. I see, Sophia. And last but not least,
What's your name?
hello.
What's her name?
Oh my, this must be Mommy. Lovely to meet you both. Is your name Ezra by any chance? Right here? I heard about you. Miss Amy talked all about you. Oh, and we have last but not least this little gentleman over here. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Carter. What a lovely, strong name as well. Well, my goodness, I know it's almost time for you all to go home, so I figured I'd catch you at the end of the day when you're the least busy for your party. Did you all have some good food to eat?
Ooh, yeah.
You did? Was it tasty? Well, wonderful. Well, I do have a few presents for you since it's a holiday, but I'm thinking I'll pass those out after I put on a little show for you.
Ooh, you want to
Would you like a show?
Yes.
How do you all feel about singing? Do you like singing? Listening to it and singing with your voices? Well, I'm known for a very special song where I'm from, and I'm sure you've heard it before. Would you like for me to sing Let It Go for you?
I do.
Do you know Let It Go, Sophia? You do? Ezra, do you know Let It Go? Yes, you do. Well, I just so happen to have a music box back here, and it plays nice and loud for us. So what I'm thinking is if you'd like to stand up and dance, you can. Or if you'd like to sit down in your chairs, you also can. I'm going to leave that up to you. Because I see there's lots of mommies and daddies and aunties and uncles and grandparents and everyone here. So if you want to dance with them or sit, that's up to you. Oh my goodness, I'm just so happy to be here. You all live in a very hot place in this desert. I'm not used to this. Oh, are you looking at my ice cape? It's big and long and flowy, see?
Look, Sophia.
And it's made of a very special kind of ice that isn't cold and never melts. Because if I were to walk outside in this cape where you live, well, my goodness, I would just be wearing nothing, that wouldn't I? And that wouldn't be any good. So it's made of a very special type of ice. And it never goes away. Okay. Let it go. Where is my playlist?
I'm gonna sing.
Hey, let me see.
You know I will.
Sorry, it takes me a moment. There's so much music on this magic box. Anna always takes care of this for me. I don't know how to use it.
Don't touch up.
All right, here we go.
Teresa.
Can you all hear all right if I play it like this?
Teresa.
All right, and if you know the words, feel free to sing along.
Teresa.
Snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen.
Ooh, Leon.
The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. Oh, I see Roy has a big smile. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. And the fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I am one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I'll stay. Let the storm rage on. Now I want you to raise your arms in the air. Raise your arms and twirl them around. My power flurries through the air into the ground. My soul is spiraling in frozen fractals all around. And one thought crystallizes like an icy blast. I'm never going back. The past is in the past. Let it go, and I'll rise at the break of dawn. Let it go, let it go. That perfect girl is gone. Teresa, in the light of day. Come here, dear. Ready? Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway.
Yay! I wanted some room. She was like,
Oh, she needed a twirl. I think she needed space for her magic. What do you all think of that? Was that fun?
yay!
Oh my goodness. I've never had so much fun singing before. It's very special for me to be here with all of you, and you don't even know. All right, well, since it's almost time for us to go, I know a lot of the parents are here. If you would like to stay behind and take some pictures, or dance to another song with me, or get your special Valentine's present, now's going to be the time for you to do it, okay?
You guys want to teach her our song?
Oh, yes, I want to hear it.
You want to teach her our song?
Yeah.
Here you go.
All right, just stand up. How does it work?
Stand up, stand up.
Stand up. Come on, Dana. Let's stand. Ready? Right.
Come on, get your partner.
Now you're all telling me you know how to sing too? Tyler, do you know how to sing?
You ready? Okay, here we go.
Oh my goodness. May I hold your hand?
Okay, so Elsa, we do this song every day before we go home. We say goodbye. You guys gonna teach Elsa?
Ready?
You
Ready?
teach me how to sing it.
Ready? Oh,
It's time to go on home now, say goodbye. Oh, it's time to go on home now, say goodbye. Well, it's been a lot of fun, but I really gotta run. Oh, it's time to go on home now, say goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you.
I'm sorry. It's okay.
Hold on, don't let go. Oh, see, we're not going to let it go. We're going to hold on.
You want a picture?
Do you want to talk to us? Yeah, do you want a picture?